So this is the Indian motorcycle that I've been riding on this entire trip. Now this is the Indian Scout. They are making a brand new Scout that is a bobber, but this is the one that they've got here, and I've never ridden one, and I'm really excited to ride. I'm gonna start up right now. This is the first time. Got to ride the Indian Scout. Very impressed. Really fun bike. Don't get any ideas, Red. Well, today's pretty cool because I'm in Spirit Lake, Iowa, and this is where they make the Indian motorcycles. They do everything here, from the Scouts to the Cheiftans. And I'm gonna show you some places that I can show you, but obviously they're making bikes for next year already, so I can't show you everything. And one of the cool things is a lot of people that I'm talking to are veterans. Indian's very, very big on hiring veterans that work here, and I'm gonna show you as much as I'm allowed to. One of the things that I noticed right away with the new Indians is the leather work. I mean, this stuff is just really, really quality. And everything is pretty much done in here. Very impressive. This right here is the last place before your Indian motorcycle gets crated up. See this guy? All he does is ride motorcycles every single day. He probably rode your Indian motorcycle. So every bike here goes through the dyno. But this is cool, that's all he does, make sure everything works, the lights, turn indicators, and that it runs good in the dyno. It's not a bad job, I guess.